Hey, what is up everybody? This is John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the LG Stylo 4 that's apparently has official specs now. I'm not going to, really bore you with the exact official specs. I can kind of list them off real quick. You're going to have your 6.2 True Vision display. So basically it's going to be like an 18:9 ratio. You're going to have more storage than we had before. You're going to have that AI kind of camera thing going on that they have. So there's going to be a lot of new features that that's coming to the LG Stylo 4 that we did not have in the LG Stylo 3. Now that being said, is Cricket Wireless and Boost Mobile, are they going to be, once again, are they going to have the lesser version of that phone, or are they going to get the same phone finally that the that T-Mobile and MetroPCS does? Because now, like, since every year now that's been going on, they've actually had this little thing going on where the LG Stylo gets, you get the LG Stylo Plus version or whatever on MetroPCS, and sometimes Boost Mobile, sometimes Cricket, but most of the time is MetroPCS gets the better version, which is like, man, that's like just like so infuriating sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But you got to understand that I guess MetroPCS or T-Mobile, they're probably paying a premium for that type of exclusivity, which is it is what it is. What can you say? What can you do? But do you guys feel as if that's really hindering progress at MetroPCS, or I'm sorry, at Cricket Wireless? Would you guys switch over to MetroPCS or Cricket Wireless just because they did not have a certain one available to you? Would you be willing to basically trade or go to another service because they didn't have the certain phone that you wanted? Obviously, that happens all the time where people do go over and they do port over, but is it that big of a deal, or are you willing to wait for another phone? Because like the LG Stylo has usually been pretty high spec, so that's a pretty amazing that they're actually going to be giving this thing really good specs nowadays. I think this LG Stylo 4 is going to be really popular with a lot of people, especially having that stylus pen like they usually do. Hopefully LG knocks that out of the park, and I expect nothing less that from LG than a superior and great product. Hopefully that's what happens, and hopefully that's what we see. I'm playing a survival horror game type here, so pretty cool little game right here. I really enjoy it. I've been playing it for, I don't know, past couple days. This is the type of game that I like though. So leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you guys think about this LG Stylo 4. I want to give a shout out to Varieties Tech. I want to give a shout out to JG Tech Blog, also Tech Right. So there's been a bunch of people that have already basically put out the information on this. I didn't really want to just do like a thing where I just look over the piece of paper and whatnot. They did a great and wonderful job. So if you do want to get the official specs rundown, go ahead and take a look at those videos. Those people that are mentioned in the or like I said, those people that I mentioned. So yeah, shout out to them definitely for getting the information out, and hopefully one of us will be able to pick up the phone ASAP. I know CV Tech has his eyes set on it as well, so you can go ahead and look for CV Tech as well in the coming days to actually be able to get one of these hands-on reviews from this. I don't know if I'm going to pick this phone up per se, because I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and switch over just to MetroPCS, obviously, just to get one phone. It's going to be quite pricey probably, so I'm probably going to leave it up to the other guys. So yeah, good luck with the LG Stylo 4 unboxings and stuff. I know you guys will rock it out of the park. So yeah, so what guys are your expectations, and what do you think is what do you think is inevitably going to happen with this phone? Do you think it's going to be a success? Do you think it's going to be a flop? Do you guys think it's going to be like really good for the industry? Or, you know, what do you guys think? Basically, just let me know, like I said, in the comments below. What is wrong with my dude here? Ooh, it says I'm going to throw up. I guess I ate too many berries. I ate too fast, man. Oh, man. Wow. So, but yeah. Anyways, like I said, if you wanna download this game, the thing was in the front of the gameplay of the video. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be keeping my eye out as well for the LG Stylo 4, and I'll give my thoughts and opinion on it when I see other people upload the videos. Maybe I'll actually go to the store and take a little bit of a peek at it for you guys, and you know, I'll try to get a little bit of a recording at MetroPCS and see what I think there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll do it that way. I don't know. I'm trying to do a little bit different things, trying to grow a little bit different. So we shall see what we shall see, and hopefully I don't die here. But anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and hopefully this LG Stylo 4 knocks it out of the park. You have a blessed one.